Hello everybody, as you can see this is a dual spool gas turbine engine. If we all see projects on gas turbine engine, but I haven't seen any people making dual spool because it's kind of challenging. Me and my friend, we spent a lot of time and we have dedicated most of our time to this. You can see that this is like completely in the shape of real gas turbine engine, which is outside our campus. We have taken the calculations from that engine. This is the inlet plate from where when it will rotate, air will be sucked inside and these blades will compress the air. After compression, there will be a combustion chamber which is not yet fixed because it's not yet complete. After combustion, fire there will be a fire kind of thing and it will exhaust from here. After exhaustion, this blade will move automatically. When this blade will move automatically, this will also move automatically. From this, it will move continuously. So this is a short brief about our gas turbine engine.